Okay, next up in our Return of the Light series, I am making a cake. This is going to be an olive oil citrus cake. This cake is for a workshop that I'm doing tomorrow, Return of the Light, vision boarding. I looked up Palestinian chefs and I wanted to make something that will energetically and physically support where my thoughts are around what's going on in the world today. The recipe for the citrus olive oil cake that I'm making comes from Chef Heida Odeh. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. She is a Palestinian chef and she has a food blog called Fufu's Kitchen, which I will share the link to in the comment section down below, as well as the article that featured her and other Palestinian chefs speaking about how food can be a way to tell more humanizing stories about Palestinians, Palestinian culture, preserving Palestinian identity, and as a form of resistance. And that really resonates with me as I was learning more about my own identity, especially when I seem to come up against misinformation or lack of information, a brick wall that I didn't know if I would even be able to find any more information. I could turn to food, the cuisine of my ancestors and my culture, and learn about that and be connected mentally and spiritually, emotionally, as well as physically. So this is the only place that I veered off of the recipe. You'll notice it does not call for orange blossom water. I happen to have it, so I decided to add a little bit. I also see this as a prayer and a meditation on peace, and being able to share this energetically in community and take a pause to send a loving vibration out into the world through food is very powerful to me. So I'm thankful that I'm able to share this recipe with you now and in community for the purposes of peace. I also selected this recipe to symbolize the lengthening of the days, the return of the light, sunshine, coming back into our days as we come off of those long nights of winter and cold weather. This cake really already looks and smells like sunshine. So we're gonna pop it in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes, which is a while. Bye-bye, little cake. Hope you turn out great. Okay, here it is out of the oven. I'm not going to tell you that this is my second attempt, but this is my second attempt, so I'm telling you anyway. My first one, my cake did not rise. I think my baking powder was expired, so I had to do a second cake. This looks a lot better. It even feels a lot better. It feels more tender. That other one was dense. So we're going to let this cool. It looks great. I'm going to let it cool a bit, and then I'm going to take it out and let it cool some more, and we'll decorate it tomorrow. But okay, that's done. This is our finished, beautiful cake. I sliced it into serving size pieces and then decorated it with fresh citrus and a bay leaf. It went over great as a vision for peace with our vision boarding session.